Hello, my name is Federico with Sleposola Party Rentals, and I'm back with another video. Today, I will be demonstrating how to use our 60 cup capacity coffee urn. This device is very simple to use. The very first step is to push down on the lid, turn, and remove. The next step is to remove the top compartment of the unit. Now you add the tap water into the basin. A cool feature about this coffee urn is that it lets you know how much coffee you are making between 20 and 60 cups in increments of 10. Now that you have filled the basin with your desired quantity of water, you would put the tube pump back into the basin. Now you insert the basket back into the tube pump. Now you remove this lid to fill up the basket with coffee grounds. Depending on your coffee brand, we suggest you read the label to know the correct amount of coffee grounds you need to the amount of water that's in the basin. Now we place the cover back into the basket and close the lid. Now that your urn is ready, take it to your coffee station. Make sure your coffee station is near a power outlet because you do need to plug it in. Once your coffee urn is plugged in, it will start automatically. We recommend not to move or touch it because it gets hot. Another great feature about this device are these indicators. Red is to let you know that your coffee urn is on and working, and green lets you know that your coffee is ready. Now that your coffee is ready, simply serve by pushing the tab in. The gauge on top of the tab will also let you know how much coffee is left in the urn. This coffee urn is made of stainless steel, and its sleek design will look great with any of your events. For more tutorials and information about our products, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.